out of the QuickBook Basics Quick Study Guide. How to record customer payment deposits. That's what your computer screen is going to look like in QuickBooks. There are two methods to recording deposits in QuickBooks: receive payment and make deposit. The method you choose depends on the reason that you received payment. You are not required to use the same method for all deposit transactions. Receive payment method is used for the customer payments received on account. Checks received by mail. This three-step process allows you to track all forms of both receipts and deposits, check, cash, credit card, or wire transfers. Okay, now step 1. Go to Customers menu and select Receive Payments option. 1. Okay, number 1. Alrighty. Sorry, I'm trying to get a good view here. Alright. Enter the name of the customer, enter the amount received, which would be 1, name of customer, amount, 3, enter the payment method, credit card. You'll have an option to process the credit card. Note only if you have signed up for QuickBooks Merchant Services. Okay, 4, which would be over on the other side. Boop, over there. Enter the reference number for payment received. 5, enter any memo that is on the check or any information that will help you cross-check the information at a later date. Where is 5? Right there. Okay. Alrighty. 6, undeposited funds. Functions as a holding bucket where you can accumulate multiple payments that need to be batched and deposited. That would be right there. Okay. And 7, be sure to mark with invoices paid. Single click the box next to the item and check mark will appear. That's 7. Where do you do that? You need to override the amounts if they're not automatically distributed correctly by QuickBooks, and then save and close. And that's it. Did you know? Many QuickBooks users are annoyed by the frequent pop-up messages they receive, assuming that they all are sales ads. This is not the case. Some are training tutorials and others are warnings. Read all of them completely to determine if you are receiving a warning. You should also notice that each one offers a checkbox that you can select to turn them off permanently or to remind you again at a later date. That's what your screen gonna be looking like. Okay. Okay. Step 2. To record the deposit into your checking account, register, go to banking, and then make deposits, and make a deposit window, let's do this one more time. Go to banking and then make a deposit. The payment deposit window will open. Select the payment you are collectively taking into the bank. 10. Okay, there's 9 where you select the payments that are collectively taken to the bank. And then 10 is going to be the credit card deposits should be deposited separately because they are processed electronically and on a daily basis. Tip: refer to your merchant statements to correctly identify the credit card deposits. 11. Boop. 11. Okay? The total deposit amount is the number that will post to your checking account register. Note: if the payment subtotal needs to be adjusted, please refer to the procedures outlined in the next section. Make deposit. Tip: if it is typical to have as many as 3 for one day, one for check, cash, and American Express, and another for MC, MasterCard, and Visa. The next picture. Okay. Make deposit. The make deposit method serves two purposes: to record cash sales not entered in sales receipts or customer payments, to adjust deposits totals for some of the reasons seen in this example. Number 1, enter the name of your bank account. Right there. Okay. Number 2, enter the date of the deposit. 2, boom, 2. Okay. 3 is receive from indicates this is a customer payment from the accounts receivable. Right there. 4, from account is the account you want to post to. You can use this column to record why the deposit was adjusted. Examples include refunds, reimbursements, income, reductions from cash not deposited. Boom, right there. 5, enter the amount being added or subtracted from your deposit. Where's that? 5. And then 6, the deposit total is the amount that will appear in the checking account register. Boom, right there at the bottom. Okay?